Hi, my name is Kelly Brandis. I live in York, Pennsylvania, where I work as an office physician assistant at a freestanding clinic in the area. I work in the radiation oncology department. For 14 years, I worked as a radiation oncology therapist. I administered radiation oncology treatments to cancer patients. Then I took a break from the medical field and found out that I did not like that at all. I really miss working in the field where I am now. I really feel like my calling is to be helping people as they're going through cancer treatments. I feel like I can be a benefit to our patients in a better capacity by getting my master's in social work. And since there is a big growth in the department where I'm working and within the cancer center where I work, I feel like now is the time to pursue this education. And while there is major expansion and growth going on in the cancer center where I am, I feel like it would be a great benefit to me to get my master's, because then I can have a marriage of the clinical experience that I've had, coupled with the administrative experience that I've had. I have my degree in psychology, my bachelor's degree in psychology, and I feel like the next natural step in the progression of my career in radiation oncology is to pursue my master's in social work. I'm really looking forward to this class. I really appreciate everybody's icebreakers, and I hope that we all have a great semester. So thank you. Thanks for listening.